This is Dr. Hobbolt, and I'm going to help you with this problem. It says, how many 2/3 are in 2? This is interesting to think about. So let's go ahead and let's draw two whole things. And since we're asking about how many 2/3 are in 2, let's actually make it so that we'll be able to easily split some stuff into thirds. Oh, got my wrong drawing tool up. So what I'm going to do, and what you can do on your paper, is draw maybe a long box. In our long box, our tape diagram, this whole thing represents 2. So we draw a little brace on it, we put 2. And let's go ahead and split it in half so we know where 1 is. Okay, so this is a whole, this is a whole, just to help us start breaking this up. Now let's break it into sections that are 2/3 big. Okay, so since here, see in my 1 over here, I have 1, 2, 3 equal parts. Well, that's not a coincidence, because I knew I wanted to break this into thirds, and specifically groups of 2/3. So I can take 1, 2 of these to make 2/3. So this is 2/3. My marker's a little too thick. Let me change to something else, maybe this. 2/3. That is just as thick. Okay, and then for my next one, look at this. I'm going to erase that little placeholder I put for splitting in half. This is 2/3, right? And then we have 2 parts left over. That's 2/3. So how many groups, how many 2/3 are in 2? Well, we have 1, 2, 3 groups of 2/3 that we made. So since there are 2/3, there are 3 groups of 2/3 in 2. That actually means that 2 divided by 2/3 equals 3. So that's a fun thing we want to point out here, because 2 is our total amount. 2/3 is the amount in each group. And 3 ended up being the number of groups. That's what we just found out. So all of this is getting us ready to think about fraction division. Thanks for working this problem with me, and I hope it'll help you be successful.